ટમ ટમ.
કેમ છો મિત્રો? How are you today? I hope you practiced all Gujarati alphabets from our last Tum video. So, what shall we do today? Today we will learn to make some most basic and useful words in Gujarati. Yes, આજે આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં કેટલાક ઉપયોગી અને ખૂબ જ સહેલા શબ્દો બનાવતા શીખીશું. તો શરૂ કરીએ? Let's begin. In English, if you have listened carefully, every syllable is made from a letter and a vowel. For example, K and A makes K. Similarly, in Gujarati, K and A makes K. This is very important and you must remember this rule to make all words in Gujarati. Let's make another example. M and A makes M. Similarly, in Gujarati, M and A makes M. Now let's learn how to form words from these letters. Rum can be formed by RA and M. Rum means play. Similarly, in Gujarati, rum can be formed by Ra and Ma. Ram means play. Another example. Jump is made from JA and M. Jump means to eat. Similarly, in Gujarati, jump can be formed by J and M. It makes eat. Now let's learn all other words in Gujarati as well as English. Rama means play. Jama means eat. Kar means do. Dar means spear. Nam means bow. Jal means water. Van means forest. Man means mind. Dug means step. Taj means cinnamon. Ras means juice. Luck means right. Hus means move. Ghar means house. Zat means hurry. Bus means bark. Bus means stop. Hal means move. Had means border. Nal means tap. Kamala means lotus. Madada means help. Harana means deer. Pavana means wind. Magaja means brain. Garama means hot. Ajgar python. Safarjan means apple.
If you love our video, please press like, share and subscribe to our channel Tum Tum.